Hi guys, do you know what happened to White Studio? White Studio is where you can find all your income, your you can upload here, you can edit here. So if you're going to click the analytic to check your revenue, it cannot open. Then if you check the audience, then that's it. If you check content, it's just loading. Oh no, it appears for the content, but if you're going to click audience, what happened to White Studio guys man? Dito sa magkukuha ng audience revenue ulit, hindi siya guys, hindi siya ma-open. Ay drama nakita delete tabi ning White delete ta, tapos ma-update kita guys, ma-update kita sa Play Store. Search natin White Studio basi kung may updating bala. White Studio open, ma-install kita ay ka mo niyo teman. White Studio mo open kita. What? Analytic. Amo man sa gyapon guys. I don't know what happened. Na lang. Please store. I'm trying to update White Studio. Tapos uninstall muna natin. Tapos mag-install tayo for updating. Ayan. Naka-install na guys. Tapos mag-choose tayo dito. Allow lang. Tapos check natin kung what went wrong. Ganun sa. Tapos hindi mo yan makita guys. So ganyan lang. Hindi makita mo yung total subscribers. Retry. Kaya ganun lang siya. Tapos hindi mo ma-check ang revenue. But my advice is don't worry too much, because maybe YouTube Studio has an update. Yes. Because when you open the YouTube Studio, there you can find your content, the dashboard, and then the revenues, of course. And of course, you can open there, you can edit. But in this case, hindi siya makita. Just comment down below guys. Thank you so much. Basi may idea ko mo. But don't worry too much. Maybe there's a new update for the White Studio. Thank you so much. This is George Passion on YouTube. Thank you.